Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have seen that Evans the prisoner has desired from the governor to have an academic qualification, that is German O level. Governor was ready for that, and he consulted from the secretary of the board, and secretary of the examination board was also agree, and said that I will provide you all the stuff which is needed for the examination. And the teacher started coming to the HM prison Oxford to teach Evans, and Evans was taught thoroughly by the teacher, and the teacher wished him for best luck and goodbye. And an invigilator was hired from the church named McLeary, and McLeary came out of his bachelor chamber. He was having a Bible in his hand and a brown suitcase, and in the suitcase everything was stuffed which was needed for the examination. And the man reached at the gate of HM prison, and he was thoroughly checked. Then Jackson brought him to the wing where Evans was kept, and Evans was ready for the examination. Okay, and the invigilator and the examinee, both of them were made introduced by Stephens, because in this cell he was under the care of Stephens, and Stephens made introduced to Evans and the invigilator McLeary. McLeary was about to say something. At that time, Stephens came and said, would you like to come out for 1 minute, because this is the worry of the governor. Perhaps you have brought anything by mistake, and Evans may use that things to hijack you, just like hijack knife or something else. Okay, and he opened the suitcase and he flipped his finger through the paper, and on everything which he was having, opened the pages of the Bible, and he could not find anything. But there was a question which was hammering in the mind of Stephens, that what is the reason that this man has brought semi-swollen rubber. Almost the boy of 6-inch may shrugged in it. So he asked from the invigilator McLeary that, sir, would you like to explain that why you have brought this? And he also commented that, are you in the mood of swimming after the invigilation? Then the invigilator McLeary, who was having amiable face, friendly face, okay, and he did not like such types of comment made by Stephens, and he said that I am suffered from hemorrhoids and I have to sit here for a long time, so I have brought this. Okay, and Stephens said sorry for that. And it was almost 9:18 when the voice of governor was again heard. Okay, and it was obvious, it was clear that the examination was getting late. McLeary asked from Evans that, do you have a watch? McLeary said that yes, I am. Sorry, Evans said that yes, I am having. Okay, and McLeary said that I will tell you the time when you have to start, and you will also be given warning when 5 minutes will remain. Okay, and there was silence. Then what is going to happen next? Yes. Okay, guys, let us try to find. Okay, McLeary said that there is plenty more of this writing paper. Should you need it? Okay, and McLeary told to Evans that there are many papers. Okay, you can use however you like. Silence. McLeary, now write the name of the paper 021-1 in the top left hand. Okay, and McLeary told that write down the name of the paper, and the name of the paper was 021, and you have to write in the left hand corner. Silence. McLeary, in the top right hand corner write your index number, and on the top of the right hand corner you have to write the index number of the paper, and just below that write your center number 271. Okay, and he also said to write the center number. He also said to write the center number. Okay, and that was 271A. Silence. 9:20 a.m. Silence. 9:20 a.m. And McClary, I am now going to announce about the starting of the examination. Evans not going to stay here. Evans asks a question from McClary. Sir, this man is going to stay here. McClary, I don't know about that. Okay. Stephens, Mr. Jackson given me the strict instruction. Here I would like to explain to dear students you about this, that Stephens was standing in the cell. Stephens was standing in the cell where the examination was holding, or examination was about to held. So Evans asked from McClary, sir, will this man stay in this cell? Will this man stay in this cell? But McClary shook his head that I have no idea about this. I don't know anything about this. Evans, but Stephens said that this is the strict order which was given by Jackson. So I am standing here. Evans, how the hell I supposed to concentrate on the examination? Evans said that how can it be possible? How can it be possible for me to concentrate on the examination with bleeding screw? My dear students, bleeding screw means gun. Okay, breathing down my neck. Okay, he said that how can it be possible for me to concentrate on my examination when a man is having gun on my neck? When a man is having a gun on my neck, so I cannot concentrate. Jesus Christ, sorry sir, I did not mean. Okay, sorry sir, I did not mean. Okay, Steven said, sorry sir, I have not such an intention. The governor reached for the phone. The governor once again picked up the phone. Jackson, oh good, get Stephens out of the cell, will you? Okay, and he gave an order to Jackson. Jackson, go and ask Stephens to come out of the cell of Evans, because I think we are perhaps overdoing. We are doing too much. Okay, means we are concerning too much. Okay, we are concerning more than needed. We are concerning more. Concerning means worried, more than needed. Okay, as you wish, sir. Okay, Jackson said, as you wish, sir. The governor heard the exchange in the cell, and the governor heard the sound of exchange. Exchange means Stephens was coming out of the cell, heard the door clang once. Okay, clang means sound. Once again he heard the sound of the door, and heard McClary announce that the examination had begun at last, and also heard a sound, a voice, and also heard the voice of McClary when he announced that examination was over. Examination had begun. It was 9:20 a.m. and there was a great calm. Okay, examination started at 9:25 a.m. Examination started at 9:25. Okay, examination started at 9:25 a.m. and there was a great calm, great silence. At 9:40, okay, at 9:40 a.m. the examination board rang through. Make a telephonic call. Okay, and at 9:40 there was a call from the board side, and the assistant secretary with special responsibility of modern language asked to speak the governor, and this was the call which was from the examination board, and this call was made by assistant secretary, and who was having the special responsibility of the modern language. So he desired, or he asked to speak from the governor. The examination had already started, no doubt, obviously the examination has started already, and a quarter of an hour ago, almost 15 minutes ago. Okay, almost the examination was started 15 minutes ago. Yes, well, there was a correction slip which some fool had forgotten to place in the examination package, and the assistant secretary of the examination board said to the governor that there was a correction in the paper and some fool has forgotten to put it in the package. Very brief correction. Could the governor please? Okay, would you like to give me permission for this correction? Yes, of course, I will put you straight through Mr. Jackson in D-wing. Okay, and the governor said, yes, I am converting your call to Mr. Jackson, who is in D-wing. Hold the line a minute. was this sort of thing the governor had feared? Okay, and one doubt strike in the mind of governor that I was afraid from such a thing. The governor was afraid from such a thing. Was the phone call a fake? Fake, deceitful? He started thinking, was the phone call a fake? Wrong? But he could check on that immediately. But the governor said that I will check that very soon, immediately. He dialed the number of the examination board, and he at once dialed the number of the examination board, but heard only the staccato bleeps. Staccato means short bleep, matlab brief beeping sound. He heard a short beeping sound, and such kind of sound is heard when the phone is engaged or busy. Okay, and but heard, yes, a line engaged means the line was engaged, but then the line was engaged, was not it? Yes, not very intelligent that. Okay, and governor thought that no, this is not a very intelligent work. 2 minutes later he heard some whispered communication in the cell. Okay, and 2 minutes later the governor heard the whispering sound in the communication in the cell, and then McCleary broad Scott voice, and then after he heard the Scottish voice of McCleary, will you please stop writing a while? Okay, and McCleary said that will you please stop writing for 1 minute, Mr. Evans? Listen carefully. Candidates offering German. Okay, and he said that candidates who are offering for German O level and 0 to 1-1 should be note the following correction. Okay, and he said that there is a correction, and the students who are facing who are appearing for the examination of German O level, they should write 0 to 1-1. This is the correction. Page 3 line 15 fourth, and he also said that there is one more correction, page 3 line 4 and line 15 the fourth, and line 15 fourth. Okay, word should read golden, not golden, and he said that there is written golden and not golden, and the whole phrase will be therefore, and then after he repeated the whole phrase should be therefore jam golden loven, not jam golden loven. Okay, students, you are seeing that this is the correction. There should be these words, jam golden, not jam golden loven, but jam golden loven. I will repeat that, and it was repeated. I will repeat that, and it was repeated. The governor listened and smiled. The governor listened all these things and he smiled. Okay, the governor listened all these things and he smiled. The governor listened all these things and he smiled. He has taken German in the 6th form himself. The governor was having the education of German O level in his 6th standard. Okay, and he remembered all about the agreements of adjective, and he was very well aware about the agreement of the adjective, about the use of adjective, and so did McCleary. And McCleary was very well acquainted about German. By the sound of lights, for the minister's pronunciation was not most impressive. Minister pronunciation was not most impressive. Here minister word is used for McCleary, the father of the church. Okay, and the pronunciation of the minister was not very impressive. But what about Evans? He probably did not know what an adjective was, and as far the matter is concerned about Evans was totally unknown about the form, about the use of the adjective. The phone rang again, and once again the phone rang. The magistrate court. Okay, and this time there was the call from the court of the magistrate, or the magistrate court means kacheri in Hindi. Magistrate की कचहरी से. They needed a prison van and a couple of prison officer, and it was requested by the magistrate that they needed a prison van and a couple of prison officer because there was remand case, and within 2 minutes the governor was wondering whether that could be a hoax. Hoax means again fake. Once again the governor thought that perhaps this call is a hoax, fake call. He told himself not to be silly, but he relaxed himself by saying that, yeah, don't be so silly. Okay, his imagination was beginning to run riot. Run riot means behave with wild abandon, means काबू से बाहर होना. Okay, means all these things were coming out of his control. for the first quarter of an hour. For the first quarter of an hour. For the first quarter of an hour, Stephens had dutifully peered through the peephole, and the intervals of 1 minute or so. And for the first quarter of an hour, okay, Stephens was dutifully peeping peeping by the hole at the interval of 1 minute or 2 or so. ठीक है ना. After that, every 2 minutes, and after 1 minute he started peeping after 2 minutes. Okay, at 10:45, but everything was still all right. But at 10:45 everything was correct, everything was good, everything was right, as he looked through the peephole once more. When at 10:45 he looked from the peephole, he found that everything was okay, everything was correct, everything was right. It took 4 or 5 seconds, no more. Okay, and in doing this, there took almost 4 or it took almost 4 or 5 seconds, no more than that. What was the point? It was always more or less the same. Okay, what was the point? What was the point which was noted by Stephens? What was the point which was noted by the Stephens? That everything was same every time. Every time everything was same. Everything was same. Okay, his pen between his lips. What was the same? Evans was having his pen between his lips, sat staring straight in front towards the door. Okay, and he was sitting quietly. He was sitting quietly and staring, looking towards the door. Okay, and seeking, it seems, somewhere sorely needed inspiration. Sorely, badly. Perhaps he was seeking badly needed inspiration. Means to say, he was in the desire of getting something to cheat. He could get some inspiration. And here the writer is saying that time to time when Stephens was peeping by the hole, he found the same situation, same condition, same thing in the cell, as Evans was having his pen between his lips, staring towards the door side. Perhaps he was seeking for any inspiration. Perhaps he was seeking for anything to cheat, anything to cheat. And opposite him, McClary was seated slightly askew. Askew means टेढ़ा होकर के, askew, crookedly, and Evans was sitting crookedly. Okay, sorry, McClary was sitting crookedly from the table now. Okay, his face in semi-profile, his hair, as Stephens has noticed from earlier, meticulously clipped pretty closely to the scalp, and it was noticed by the by Stephens that this man was having very short hair. Scalp means khopdi, not khopdi. Okay, clipped means cut, means his hair was cut very short to the scalp, एकदम खोपड़ी तक cut, very short hair. His eyes behind the Peebles lenses peering through the sightedly at the church time, and McClary was sitting quietly, having short hair, and he was reading the church time. Okay, he was reading the church time. People means rock crystal, mote means there were the lenses of Evans glasses were having very thick glasses. Okay, the lenses of Evans glasses were having very thick glass, मोटे मोटे शीशे लगे हुए थे. Okay, and he was reading the church times. His right index finger hooked beneath the narrow clerical collar, and he was having his right hand on his narrow clerical collar, and the fingers of the left hand and finger of the left hand, the nails meticulously manicured. Meticulously means very neatly, manicured means cut. Okay, and the nails of the right hand was cut very neatly, slowly stroking the short black beard, and he was stroking his short black beard. At 10:50 a.m. the receiver crackled, made slight or sudden or sharp noises rapidly. Okay, and repeated. Made slight noise rapidly repeated. Okay, and at 10:15, Okay, the receiver made a certain rapid sound. Okay, and the governor realized he had almost forgotten. Okay, and then after governor realized that he had forgotten everything. Okay, Evans, please sir, please sir, Evans, please sir, for a few minutes. Evans, please sir, a whisper. Once again, the whispering sound of Evans was heard. Please sir, louder. And then after he shouted very loudly. Okay, please sir, Evans, would you mind if I put a blanket round my shoulder? Okay, he asked that. If you don't mind sir, I would like to cover myself with the blanket. I would like to cover myself with the blanket. I would like to cover myself, my shoulder with the blanket. It is a bit parky. Parky means cold. It is very cold in here, sir. Silence, Evans. There is no one. There is one on me bunk, sir. There is. Okay, and Evans also told that he was having a blanket in his bunk. Okay, McCleary, be quick about. McCleary said, okay, go and cover your shoulder with the blanket. Silence. At 10:51 a.m., Stephens was more than a little surprised to see a grey regulation blanket draped round. Okay, grey regulation blanket draped round Ivan's shoulder. Okay, at 10:51 a.m., when Stephens peeped through the hole, he found that Evans had covered his shoulder. ठीक ना, covered his shoulder or wrapped his shoulder with the regulation blanket. What do you mean by regulation blanket? A blanket given to the prisoners. A blanket given to the prisoners. Okay, means at 10:51 a.m. when Stephens peeped through the hole in the cell of Evans, he found that Evans has covered his shoulders by the blanket, and this blanket is given to the prisoner. Okay, and he frowned slightly and looked at and examined more closely. He frowned. He became angry. And he looked very closely to Evans to examine. But Evans, the pen still between his teeth, and Evans was having his pen in his teeth, between his teeth, blankly beneath a blanket, and he was blank under the blanket. And should Stephens report the slight irregularity? And Stephens thought for one moment that I should inform about this to the governor or not. Okay, anything at a fishy had not, Jackson said. Okay, and he said that okay, this is not much more doubtful, and I am not going to tell about this to Jackson. Okay, he looked through the peephole once again. He once again looked through the peephole, and even as he did so, Evans pulled the dirty blanket more closely to himself, and this time he noticed that Evans has pulled the dirty blanket very close to himself. Was he planning a sudden Batman leap to suffocate McCleary in the blanket? And Stephens thought, perhaps Evans wants to suffocate the McCleary. May Evans suffocate the McCleary under the blanket? Don't be daft. Daft means stupid. And Stephens said to himself, "Yeah, don't be so daft. Don't be so daft. There was never any sun on this side in prison. Okay, the sun rays never fall on the wall of this prison. Okay, wall of this prison. Okay, no heating, and there is no heating either during the summer month, and no heating in summer month, and this is the winter month. Okay, so obviously there will be so cold, so I could get quite chilly in some. Okay, so obviously there is very cold in this cell." Stephens decided to revert to his earlier minute observation, and Stephens decided that I would like to observe time to time. I would like to observe time to time. Okay, I would like to observe time to time. Yes, guys. I think that is sufficient for today. We will meet in next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.